How to redeem Starbucks promo code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for starbucks.com. Now before moving forward, make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, to redeem your card, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for gift cards. Tap on that, and further in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Add or Reload button. You will further be led to the card redemption page. So go ahead and tap on the Add Card option you see there. You will now be asked to enter your Starbucks card number and security code. So go ahead and enter these details, and once entered, tap on the Add Card button, and if the card details that you entered are correct, then your card will be redeemed successfully. So, this is how you can redeem Starbucks promo codes. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.